Winched a little bit there.
See, I was going to say, did you see his back straighten up a little bit?
From here I can see his eyes.
Oh, I
Open it
forgot.
up.
That's a sabaka.
Oh, yeah, we can open it up.
She's a silly sabaka.
She's a
Let's
silly
see how it comes
sabaka.
out.
Don't worry, Sash.
Let's see.
She's your doggy.
We'll have to see how this opens up.
Sasha sabaka. Sash.
Maybe Baba can help
Sasha.
us.
Sasha
It's got
sabaka.
about 8
Well,
hours
there's
and
the
things
other
don't
See,
spin.
I
Yeah,
don't know
I
whether we
mean,
need
do we
to cut
want to
them.
take that out now?
We have to.
Well, I think there's a
cut the
dowel in
plastic
there if you
things
want
that hold it
that.
in, I guess.
Oh, okay.
We have to get a pair of scissors. We're gonna get a pair of scissors, TJ.
Okay, what do you think? This guy's really in here, isn't he?
What?
Yeah, I said it's tough to get those
Yeah,
out.
those little plastic things.
Oh, she's just, I love you, Mommy. I haven't seen
Sasha's
you.
like, what?
Look at that,
Sasha's
Sasha.
like, what is it?
TJ,
Sabaka.
Oh, give me a smile.
Sabaka.
I haven't got a good
Da,
picture.
sabaka.
TJ, come on, give Gaga a big smile.
Oh, look, he just put
Okay.
his hand
I'm gonna
out.
have to go
Oh,
get a
he
little
put his
knife.
hand out for us, isn't that
So
cute?
where they have like their little...
He did.
Sabaka.
I think he was gonna
Sasha
pet her.
sabaka. Sasha
Oh,
sabaka.
we did one because we woke him up.
Right,
Whoa, there's a good yawn.
Oh, that is a good one.
You get
yeah.
sleepy.
It is sleepy in the car sometimes.
Winnie,
TJ, I wish I could have gone to sleep. Oh.
Winnie, watch out. He wants.
Okay.
Come here. I know it's slippery. Come here. I'll pick you up so that you know what
We're
you're doing.
trying to get this guy out. He's got a surfboard too.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Wow. Grandmother got you a really nice present.
Oh,
Oh, mama.
24 hours or 48 hours or whatever.
Yes?
I
I
think
didn't
we're gonna
know
give you a
that.
little. Let's give you a little something to eat.
How exciting.